Hello. So I have decided to go over the arteries, veins, and capillary and the differences with them. I'm a visual person, so I drew some stuff on the whiteboard. So for my pictures, the yellow will represent the lumen and the pink will be the outer wall for my 3 diagrams of those. So we'll start off with some terminology. What is the lumen? So the lumen is the interior of a vessel. And this is just the central space in the artery, vein, or capillary that the blood flows through. So we'll start off with the artery. So they do have a thicker lumen than the vein and the capillary. And with the artery, they carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. So I have my arrows pointing away from the heart, just so I can wrap my brain around that. And as they travel away, they do branch off and they form smaller and smaller pathways for the blood to travel through. And these tissue structures of the artery are strong and resilient. So going to the vein, they have a thinner layer for the lumen and the outer wall. And the veins carry deoxygenated blood from the tissues toward the heart. So my arrows are going from the vein to the heart. So since they have a thinner layer of that lumen and outer wall, they can expand easy. And this is so that they can accommodate more blood and more blood can go through at a time. So for the capillaries, these are the smallest blood vessel. And what the capillaries do is they deliver nutrients and oxygen to other tissues and cells in the body, and they also connect the artery and veins. And along with delivering all the nutrients and oxygen, they also do exchange gases, nutrients, and waste products as well. So my little diagram down here is a very, very simple version of this, and I found one on Google that just worked with me. So my red over here is the artery, and the blue is the vein, and then those green dots in there are the capillaries. So since the artery carries the oxygenated blood away from the heart, it is coming in here to the artery, so that's from the heart, and that is oxygenated, and it goes through here, and then the vein carries deoxygenated towards the heart, so it's going out through the veins to the heart. And like I said, they connected, so they kind of have them here. So I hope that works and makes sense to you guys. I look forward to seeing the rest of them, and have a great weekend.